Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the manufacturing date of your LENOVO G70-35 laptop. So to check the manufacture date of a laptop, you'll have to check the back side of it. So let me close the lid real quick and turn the back side of the laptop to you so you can see it. And right here you'll be able to see MFG date, which stands for manufacturing date. And as you can see, it's 16/03/01. So it's year, month and day. So basically this laptop was manufactured on March 1st in 2016. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.